have a hand machine which you have connected to light and you realize the belt is weak and it's torn, watch this video. If you're having issues with your sewing machine or how to fix the belts at the back, so kindly watch this video. If you're new here, I make sewing tutorial, fashion, DIY, etc. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also share my videos to your soulmates. So let's dive into the video. So this is how, when you finish fixing the belt, this is how it's going to be. So this is the belt area. This is where the belt is going to be. So when you get your new belt, I'm going to show you how to adjust it. You see the screw is at the top. Initially it was at the down because of the old one, because the old one got torn. So this is the old one, it's got torn, so we had to replace it. And I realized that the new belt was not fitting into the belt area, so I had to do some little adjustments to make it fit. So now you can see I'll be screwing this thing. The screw is at the down. I'll be screwing it up, so I'll loosen this part. So you see how I'll push it up. I'll loosen this part. So now after losing it, I have to push it down because the belt wasn't fitting the hole. The belt wasn't fitting, and it has to fit well before you can do your sewing. So I had to push it up again, and then I'll check how well my belt fits at that area before I screw it back. So I'll have to screw it up, and then voila, we are ready. Our machine is ready to sew now. So you can see it is really firm like this. So I'm going to show you how loose it was before we achieved this. So this was how loose it was when we were trying to fix it. So you could see the space there. It wasn't fitting into the place. You can see it was loose here. So that is what guaranteed us to put this one up, because the first one was down. So when you push it up, you realize it will fit perfectly well. I don't know if they have sizes, because we bought the first one, it was still the same, so we had to go change this belt. And then this is the second one. I had to adjust. So I realized it wasn't the belt, it was just adjusting. You have to adjust that area for it to fit really well, to have your smooth sewing machine back on track. Please don't forget to like my videos and also share it to your soulmates. You can also comment, or if you need any assistance, you can also ask. If you have any questions, you can also ask. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to share our videos and hit the notification bell in case we drop a new video. Bye, and see you in our next video. Stick and stay to the end.